Hello, welcome to another TA Tech Tip. Today we'll demonstrate a useful technique for loading very low viscosity liquid samples to a rotational rheometer for viscosity measurement. It is often quite challenging to load very low viscosity liquid samples to a parallel plate or column plate geometry for viscosity measurements, especially for those that also have low surface tension such as silicone oils or organic solvents. Due to low surface tension, these samples quickly spread out in thin layer before the geometry gap closure is complete, making it difficult to perform rheological measurements. Here, we will use the TA Instruments Discovery Hybrid Rheometer to demonstrate a useful technique for loading these kind of low viscosity liquid samples. Attach your geometry to the rheometer. Here, we will use a 60 mm 2-degree cone geometry. Perform all required geometry calibration and then use the touch screen or Trio software to zero the geometry gap at your measurement temperature. Then, set the gap at 2 mm. From the touch screen, press this button to set the instrument motor to rotate at a velocity of 1 radians per second. Then, use a pipette to load the sample from the side of the plate. The rotation of the geometry will drag the liquid sample to the center of the plate. After loading, directly go to the final test gap. Wipe out or use a pipette to take out the additional sample from the edge of the plate. Stop the geometry rotation. You are now ready to start your test. Using this sample loading method, you can easily inject the sample to the center of the geometry without introducing any bubbles. In this TA Tech Tip, we have learned how to load a very low viscosity and low surface tension liquid sample between a parallel plate or column plate geometry on a rotational rheometer. Please stay tuned for more helpful TA Tech Tips, and thank you for your interest.